Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 15 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 5 Arithmetic Progression. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from 5.3. Question number 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5 and so on, and last number is 49. Above list of number form an AP with A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2 and AN is equal to 49. And therefore an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore 49 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2, and therefore 49 is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to, therefore 2n is equal to 50 and n is equal to 25. So there are 25 terms. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l, and therefore S25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into bracket 1 plus 49 is equal to 25 into 25 gives you 625, and therefore the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. Okay. Question number 15. Now here some word examples are given. Now according to information you convert into AP, terms of AP. Okay. A penalty for delay of completion of work. First day rupees 200, second day rupees 250, third day rupees 300 and so on. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? Okay. Now first all information you convert into terms of AP. Solution. List of number 200, 250, 300 up to 30 days. All these are what penalties per day. Forms AP with A is equal to 200 and D is equal to 50. Number of days 30, that is N is equal to 30, and therefore Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore S30 is equal to 30 upon 2 into bracket 400 plus 29 into 50 is equal to 15 into bracket 400 plus 1450 and is equal to 15 into 1850 is equal to rupees 27,750, and therefore the contractor has to pay as penalty for 30 days rupees 27,750. Okay. Question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prize. Okay. Solution. Let first prize be rupees A. Second prize is rupees A plus A minus 20 because condition is given. third prize is rupees A minus 40, and so on. So above list of numbers A minus 20, A minus 40, and so on forms AP with A is equal to A and D is equal to minus 20. Sum of the prices is equal to 700, that is Sn is equal to 700 given, and N is equal to 7. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore S7 is equal to 7 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 6 minus 20 is equal to 700 given, and therefore this 2a minus 120 is equal to, this you transfer on this side, 700 into 2 upon 7 gives you 200, and therefore 2a is equal to 200 plus 120 is equal to 320, and therefore a is equal to 160, and hence the value of first prize is equal to rupees 160. Second prize is less than 20, 140, and so on, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40, and so on. Okay. So question number 17. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will will be the same as the class in which they study. A section of class 1 will plant one tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 11. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted? Okay. Now try to understand solution. Number of section 3. Class 1 section 1 will plant 1 tree. Class 2 section 1 will plant 2 trees, and so on. So list of number 1, 2, 3 up to 12 forms AP with A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 1, and therefore and AN is equal to 12, N is equal to 12 given, and therefore Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket A plus L is equal to 12 upon 2 into bracket 1 plus 12 is equal to 6 into 13 gives you 78. Now there are 3 sections, so section 1 of each class, all class plants 78 trees, and therefore 3 sections of all classes plant 78 into 3, that is 234 trees. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.